Let's see. Size of that bird. See that bird? Look at the size of that bird. And this does not do it justice. See how that fence post? That fence is taller than me. Yep, that fence is taller than me. Just so you know, it's a good 5-6 foot fence. I see them kiddos walk by it and they go about a foot below it on the sidewalk. But yeah, look at that bird. Yeah, she's sitting there too. I wonder how close it'll let me get. No, y'all stay here. Kathy, no, stay here. No, stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Yep, there it is. Goodness, that's a big bird. What kind of bird is that? Goodness, is that a starling? Huh. Well, hey, yeah, just so you know, I'm standing. Wait, hold on, let me. I'm standing next to the fence. So, just so you know, that's my house. That, for that guy that said clean up my yard, man, what do you think I've been doing? Goodness, look at that. I'm waiting for it to be picked up. But that's that.